What is up, you guys? This is Treatment Prodigy here, and today I have actually not today. Yesterday I did an air horn prank during Thanksgiving dinner. It went pretty well. You guys will find out what happened later in this video. I pretty much just stuck the air horn under the dinner table, blew it off. My grandma's in this one once again. My aunts and uncles, my older brother, my nephews, cousins. So it was pretty funny actually. The only person that knew though was actually my mom, because it was her idea, so she already knew, but no one else knew, so it was pretty funny. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, so I want you guys to like, subscribe, and comment below.
To put her out of her misery.
Yeah.
I'm called Nelly Tareen.
Calls everybody by their name. So he's asked me the other day, telling me, I'm going to my other dad's house. I'm like, who's your other dad? He goes, Mike. Oh no. Tyler's baby daddy with the other three kids. I'm like, oh no. I'm like, oh no.
They had the thieves from the interviewed thieves about breaking into your house and stuff.
Yeah.
They don't care about dogs.
Mr. Moore. Hey, you just woke up. Hey, Mason.
Don't ever do that again. Don't ever do that again.
I'm getting a lot of mad hate right now.
That's scared us.
Don't ever do that again.
I know what that was. That's Santa Claus checking to see if everybody's here.
Okay.
That's what.
Stop it. Get some help.
Do I do this one more time? One more time.
You gotta look at me.
Ready?
I try to.
That was a better one. There you go. Granny, what do you think of the air horn going off?
That scared the heck out of me. I was probably the only one screaming.
What do you think, Mom?
Oh God, that scared me.
What do you think, Auntie Jeannie?
What'd you think about the air horn? About the what? The air horn that went off. It scared the crap out of me.
So that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this prank. Definitely gotta do some more on maybe my brother this time. I haven't really done one of those yet. I've already put my grandma through enough trouble, so I'm gonna take a break from her. But literally the entire time I did this prank, the first time I hit it, like the camera, it was literally on the piano. And I put it probably by the pastries, and like literally the family didn't even notice, so I just left it out in the open. So that's why I went the second time. I was literally just holding the camera out in front of the dinner table. I just blew the air horn the second time, and like no one even knows. Like my family could care less. But what was I gonna say? Thank you guys for watching. I want you guys to like, subscribe, and comment below. Like I said earlier in the video, more pranks will be coming up. I'm gonna be vlogging at Skater's Edge indoor skate park, one of the nicest indoor skate parks in New England. So like, subscribe, and comment below. This is Treatment Prodigy.